how you make super gooey waffles with ube butter and mochi flour. Make sure to check the description for the ingredients quantities and a signature vegan ube butter recipe. Okay, all we need is glutinous rice flour, ube butter, and coconut milk. Mix everything until you get a smooth and uniform batter. Then, put the batter into your waffle maker and cook following the machine instructions. We cook ours at max temperature for 7 minutes. And here you have it, deliciously vegan ube mochi waffles that melt in your mouth. Top them with your favorite things and enjoy them warm. Thanks for watching, gorgeous! Hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye!